Mishra, my experts, Dr. Thakur and Dr. Alisa. Hosted by the prestigious Central Institute of Petrochemicals, Engineering and Technology, CPET Raipur. This faculty development program on the interactive product development through smart manufacturing is not only timely but also highly relevant in the today's era of Industry 4.0 and technologies convergence. CPET has been playing a pivotal role in nation building by its skills. The youth supporting industries with cutting edge technologies and promoting high impact research in the field of polymer science and allied sectors. The vision of AICT through Atal Academy to build a robust ecosystem for continuous learning and innovation is commendable. Such FDP empower educators to be future ready and well equipped in emerging domains. I counsel
you are hearing, which you are not for, right? The reason is that I'm not an expert. Let me tell you what I would say. I'm just a student, right? Young, bubbly, right? So the reason behind telling you that, okay, why I'm a student, the interaction happens in a friendly way. The moment you look at somebody as an expert, somewhere that gap comes, and I don't want in my presentation that gap should exist. The reason is that somewhere we are going away from each other. In the era of IT technology, the gap is increasing. So I'm trying my level best through my talk to bridge this particular gap to interactive shift, right? So my humble request to all of you is that don't look at me as an expert, right? Unfortunately, that DR word don't look at. The moment somebody uses that DR word, right, and they get a little bit uncomfortable, the reason is that those who are pursuing their PhD, it's a stage of partial head damage. The moment you complete your PhD, it is a permanent head damage. और मेरे को क्या बोलना, मैं क्या बोलना चाहता हूँ आपसे भली बात ही जानता, जिसका दिमाग खराब हो गया उससे दूर लोग भागते हैं. तो इसीलिए मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप वो DR पर ज़्यादा कॉन्सेंट्रेट मत कीजिए. मैं एकदम परफेक्टली ऑलराइट हूँ. 10 exactly 18 मिनट पर मैं मेरा टॉक शुरू कर रहा हूँ.
You will understand how that will helpful for the getting the various type of reports on the fingerprint, on your mobile and your laptops or any other system. Then we demonstrated a robotic and gantry-based pick-up and drop solution with visual plus digital gating solution with auto offset facility. This is exactly the core of Industry 4 and Industry 5. This is core of Industry 4. Industry 5 is again one step ahead than this. And unique stall, perhaps more than 1500 stalls were there. But I think this was perhaps one stall, only unique stall where we could demonstrate all these Industry 4 and 5 solutions. So I will just showcase that these are the business partners for this particular Macro CNC, and this is my logo. I just highlighted that logo over here. This is the Android system. Now, even today also, when this particular presentation was there, I was just working on some other major OEM proposals where we are just integrating their one particular shop floor, which has 184 workstations, and they have more than something 3,000.
So that we know what is going on the industry. Accordingly, we are imparting the training. So since to know in the automation is a big topic, and if I am taking all those topics, take the example of HMI, SCADA, then small things you will understand. So better I will focus on the one thing, that is the most important is the pneumatics and the hydraulic system, which is used everywhere, not in the manufacturing but everywhere. So today I will give the surety that you understood what is basic pneumatics, hydraulics, what is electro-pneumatics, hydraulics, and how you can achieve the automation in anything, even if you are in your project of your student also, with the help of PLC. programmable logical control. And one step IIT Bhilai is again ahead. They are not using any conventional machine. All the machines are CNC based. That means the mechanical student who is coming in the first year, they are starting learning the G code and M code from the first year. और हम लोग क्या करते थे? G code M code final year, है ना? Computer ready.
Any of the low cost prototyping purpose. So we have picked one technology, that is FDM 3D printing. And in 2016, we were the large energy deposition sheet lamination. So these are the four technologies जिसके थ्रू आप डायरेक्ट मेटल प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं. आप जो ऊपर की जो तीनों टेक्नोलॉजी है उससे आप मेटल कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. लाइक जो इनसे प्रोडक्ट बनते हैं दैट इज यूजफुल फॉर ऑटोमोबाइल में जितने भी प्लास्टिक कंपोनेंट्स होती है, इसका एक बेसिकली यूज है जहाँ पे आप डिफरेंट स्लिट्स को अलग अलग पर्टिकुलर फॉर्म में लेजर के थ्रू कट करके आप उसको ज्वाइन करते हैं. तो ये एक ऐसी टेक्नोलॉजी है जो आपने बहुत कम सुनी होगी. रेस्ट ऑफ दी थिंग्स आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ दी लोगों ने सुना ही होगा.
We have completed any product on it, which was established in 2016. Okay, by Government of India, by Ministry of Education, and initially it was operated from Raipur only, Government Engineering College as a transit campus, and we moved to our permanent campus in Bhilai in the year 2023. Okay, and we have now full-fledged campus. The first phase is over, and we have all functional departments, the buildings, the residences and all. So we have, as you can see, this is our main administrative building, okay, and this is the academic block, okay. We have the engineering department, we have the science department, we have very specifically 11 departments to be precise, including
it is all depend upon mass product. For example, आप लोग मेरे पास मास है लेकिन वैरायटी है, रोबोट का यूज है, इसका सेटअप कॉस्ट है, सेटअप टाइपिंग है. So if you have it is very clear. Mass production है, this is the robot service.
Government of India. देखते हैं हमारा सीबीआई ऑफिसर कितना पावरफुल है. चेंज करें, एक्टिविटी करें, थके नहीं, थोड़ा चेंज करें. बिल्कुल थकना नहीं है, कोई थकना नहीं है. समीर सर देखिए कितना अच्छा से डांस कर रहे हैं सब लोग. पांच मिनट 4 मिनट बचा है. कोई तो करवा रहा है सर. हाँ एकदम करीब हैं. चेंज. थोड़ा फेयर एंड लवली लगाएं, लिपस्टिक लगाएं, थोड़ा सा कंघी करें. कौन मैम? हाँ वेरी गुड, जोरदार तालियां. वेरी नाइस. सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु, सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु, सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु, सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ओम शांति शांति शांति. धीरे धीरे अपना शरीर और परिसर के प्रति सजग होते हुए जब भी पूर्णता लगे, जब भी 100% अच्छा लगे, बहुत धीमी गति से अपनी आंखें खोल सकते हैं. Very slowly you can open your eyes. सभी को मेरा प्यार भरा नमस्कार स्वीकार करें। कैसे रहा सेशन? कैसे लगा? शांति का अनुभव?
So here you can see the diagram that the industry 4.0, but now we have the industry 5.0. So here my student already explained his points. So I just want to explain the RFID. How many participants heard that RFID? Yes. What it mean by the RFID?
Radio frequency identity.
Is any that device present over here is following the RFID?
Right.
Your mobile phones, your that projector जिससे आप ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं, है ना? So many things is associated to that radio frequency. How this radio frequency generated? Who will generate that radio frequencies? Because we are taking the energies from the natural phenomena. Okay? And we are thinking, I am a researcher in the brain signal side. So I studied that the brain is also generating the signals and brain is giving that energy. That's why my whole body will work. There is no external energy is required to operate my body. Yeah. So that type of energy, the conversion of energy is a crucial thing. So the first conversion of that energy is a radio frequency. So what it means by the frequency? Because all the IoT is based on only the frequency.
आप लोग रहे कुछ अच्छा साबित हुआ होगा वो तो मैं पता चलेगा। तो पहले तो मैं का वो तो धन्यवाद देता हूँ कि वो आसानी से कर पाएंगे। दूसरा इसका जो साइड इफेक्ट है वो क्या होगा कि इस प्रोसेस में जितने लोग थे, जहाँ हमको 10 लोग थे, अभी जैसे मेरी कई लोगों से बात होती है, कंपनी चला रहे हैं, स्टार्टअप चला रहे हैं, वो जैसे 10 लोगों को हायर करते हैं, जरूरत नहीं है एक अच्छा जिसको इन-डेप्थ नॉलेज। अगर आपने उसको हायर कर लिया या 2 लोगों को हायर कर लिया तो वो 2 लोग मिलकर आपके 10 से 12 लोगों का काम रिप्लेस हो गया, क्योंकि 80% काम आपको वैसे हो गया। कर्सर सॉर्ट ऑफ टूल जो है को पायलट आ गए हैं अभी, जो एजेंटिक है इसको काम चल रहा है पास, और उसकी एडाप्टेबिलिटी भी बहुत है, वो ये हो गया। तब ओवरऑल प्रोसेस का जैसे इसमें आपने ये इंडस्ट्री 4.0, 5.0, स्मार्ट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, डिजिटल ट्विन, और देयर आर सो मेनी टेक्नोलॉजी वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑल दिस, नॉट keep understanding of the technology, but you may have gone through brief idea what is platform और ये सब ब्लूप्रिंट है किसके फ्यूचर। अभी नाउअडेज ठीक है, सबका अपना अपना एक्सपर्टाइज लेवल होता है, काम करता हूँ ऐसा आइडिया है। अब ये स्मार्ट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग तो नॉट माय फील्ड, आई मे नॉट बी वेल वर्स्ड इन व्हाट आर दे, बट यस आई नो कि एआई इंटरवेंशन आर all in all fields, कोई भी ऐसा फील्ड हो अपने को आइडिया है नहीं है, दिस इज डिफरेंट, बट ये प्रूवन है कि एआई का इंटरवेंशन हर जगह, प्लास्टिक से रिलेटेड प्रोसेस, बट यहाँ एक चैलेंज है जिससे वी आर रशिंग टुवर्ड्स इनोवेशन एंड ऑल, बट वी शुड नॉट फॉरगेट, कई लोगों का ऐसा भी है कि एआई हमको वो करने की क्या है, तो we should not forget